all the 20-year-olds in the room, raise your hand. She said, wait till I turn 20. I'm gonna tell you. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Bella G. You're watching Bella G Beauty, and this is a Bella G vlog. And today we are in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and it's Haitian Flag Day. Shout out to those. We are getting ready to go to meet and greet. If you see a whole bunch of older, mature folks, it's because I'm here to do makeup. I brought my cousin with me. This room is sweet. Y'all saw it. Y'all saw it. They didn't play. They didn't play. I got flued out. Right now, we are getting ready for the meet and greet, and I'm looking for an outfit to wear. Our OOTDs. My dress is from Shein. Period. Period. Bag from Shein. Period. Shoes from Pretty Little Things. Period. Period. And y'all know, dress Fashion Nova. Period. Shoes Fashion Nova. Purse Healthy, sandals Shein. Period. Yeah, we're gonna risk our lives and walk to the shuttle with some heels on, and hopefully we can eat some dinner after, because me and my parents, we ain't ate all day. We had a time lapse. I'm just playing. We're about to go night. Tomorrow we got a full day of activities. Talking with the list because, you know, good night lovelies. What's up, what's up, what's up? We're gonna get ready for our boat party. It's all white. I got two swimmies to choose from. Okay, so swimmie number one, PLT. I'm gonna trust this little tiny little sling for my little tiny little C cup. Next I have my Michael Kors two-piece. So it's this butt covered, you know, very appropriate. We're kind of late, you know, black people time. 4 minutes though, that's not that bad.
So strong.
Y'all, I'm her favorite cousin.
And I hit my head. Ow, twice.
I'm her favorite cousin if y'all did not know. I'm Trina. Say hi to my vlog.
The Bella G Beauty vlog. Here are my parents. All my hard work I did last night on for retangles.
Deuces, LA bound, Cali.
Boo.
That's how we do it, y'all. Dominican Republic. You know, DR. Doing big things. Deuces.
Bella's parents.
Ruined it right now.
Parents, I don't know what those are. We chilling.
Not that little boat.
Little boat. Big vlog. Big influencers. Big subscribers. Going to go pee, because I gotta pee. And then we're gonna get some food. And I really want a pina colada. Look at this rat right here. It's gonna come loose. Don't get knotless braids for vacation. Just stop doing that. Go back to getting boho locks. Having my first pina colada of the day at 4:48, which is a shame. Yeah, can y'all believe the people that's over there loud as hell? We know them.
This is embarrassing.
fact, I didn't bring anything in here. This evening took an L, but tonight I bounced back. Right now, y'all, I am exhausted. 8:40, we gotta go. What? Now I'm in a rush again. I don't really know what to wear today. No question, it could have been any flavor. I got this fat ass bruise. Where is that from? I don't know. I'm gonna do my makeup and skincare right here because I feel like I'm looking dead right now, and skincare alone is just not gonna save me. So, hello?
By 8:30 for sure.
Okay, we'll see y'all. Okay, y'all, we in a rush, so I'm gonna play music so we can just focus. Hopefully we can get this van. They said they weren't waiting too long, and I don't see nobody out here. OOTD. Top, Fashion Nova. Bottom, Fashion Nova. Shoes. Purse, tell Feezy, stay breezy. Yeah.
Top from Shein. Skirt from a boutique. I don't know which one. Sandals, Tory Burch. Purse, Walmart.
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 Yeah, Walmart purse. Period.
It looks cute.
It looks cute though.
They can't even tell us from Walmart.
I'm about to go to Walmart. We're about to do dinner in the sky. I'm talking about this hair. She's talking about she's about to die. She's fine. You're definitely fine. You only live one time. So, outfit check really quickly. Got my cheetah print bikini with the glitz and the glitz. Probably not they want to have on the trip. Yeah, I'm gonna go take pictures. Y'all got that? I am not doing it again. I'm gonna just get ready. I already did my makeup today because I already know how this works. You know, I'm a professional. Bonnet face. She's coming to my room at 7 p.m. to get her face beat. We're gonna try to run to the beach to get my cousin some pictures of the beach first before anything, and then run back here and then I'll get her makeup done. So I'm gonna hurry up and hop in the shower. It's 5:52. I should be done at like 6:15. Get back here. 6:30 maybe. Oh, this is the outfit. Braless. You know we don't do bras on vacation. Like a bra. Period. Y'all see? Look at the leg. It's 6:06, so I'm gonna put my sandals on. We're gonna dash because we have to go to the beach. So I'm set up for my makeup appointment. I gotta get reels for my professional page. So I'm not gonna do too much filming. it's a bug. You see a bug, it gotta go. Don't be doing none of that. Nah, it gotta go. Successful makeup appointment, y'all. Finna touch up my makeup and put on my dress, and we'll be ready to go. I'm actually just happy someone supports my business. That's all that be making me happy. Like, makeup artists, they don't like when their clients wear lash extensions, but I do. If you could save me some time, I appreciate it. Putting on a strip lash is 10 minutes of stress. My phone ran out of storage. That's what's stressing me out. That's what really stressing me out, for real. That shit is wow.
Not wearing that. I would have told you to take that off. That right there.
Nah, shit, not my beach bag?
The beach bag is giving beach bag.
Castle Beats.
Her makeup looks great. I did a good job. I was having a wardrobe malfunction. We fixed it though.
Dress is from Pretty Little Things. My sandals are from Shein. And I have a yellow plush. It's also from Shein.
It's from Shein.
Y'all seen it earlier.
Got this dress from Fashion Nova. Sandals from Shein. And earrings, Fashion Nova. Honey's lit. I never met no Odie's this lit.
We're gonna take this shot. Take this shot. Take this shot. Oh, do now. Are we gonna make it? We're gonna put it.
Good morning, y'all, by the way. I know my parents don't want to miss their flight, but shit, y'all, we're ready. Hola.
They are in the car.
Un momento.
Okay.
Bella,
Yes?
bring a water out to the refrigerator.
Okay.
You need any help?
My parents always got me in a rush. Like, I hate being stressed. Oh, her retainer. This cost $700. We on the way out, y'all boys. I don't know if you can even see me. I smell some zoyo. I can't even breathe. Okay, my lovelies, look at where we are. My roomy room. With that being said, that's BellaGBeauty.